Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the tracker. Open the battery compartment, insert a fresh CR2032, and close it. Once done, enable Bluetooth and grant the Ugreen Smart app the requested permissions so scanning works reliably. Next, open the app, choose Add Device, and press the tracker button for about 2 to 3 seconds until the LED flashes. The app will detect it. Make sure you accept the pairing prompt. This links the tracker to your account so you can ring and track it later. Once paired, name the device clearly, keys, bag, or remote, so you can find it fast in a list. Then attach the tracker securely to the item. A split ring or adhesive works depending on the model. Use the app's ring function to test sound and check the proximity meter. This confirms signal strength and orientation. Also, enable separation alerts and set a comfortable ring volume or vibration, because those settings prevent accidental loss and tailor notifications to your environment. Finish by running a live check. Walk a short distance until the separation alert sounds, then use the find function to guide you back. Make sure firmware updates are applied in the app so performance and range stay optimal. If the tracker ever stops responding, try a quick reset. Hold the button for about 8 to 10 seconds to power cycle it, then repair in the app. If problems persist, replace the battery and confirm the phone's Bluetooth and app permissions remain enabled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.